Hello, avocado fans. This is Gregory. I'm in the yard with the dogs as usual, checking on the fruit trees, seeing how we're looking. We finally just got out of a very cold, damp winter, and things are starting to come alive. I wanted to show you one experiment, which I call the Avocado Factory. It's right back here, and you can see, if you look closely, that there's an alley in the back. And what we have is a dense planting experiment. Basically, I got 3 trees. We're here. They can grow big because in my other place, my other area, got to say hi to the dogs. My other area where my trees are, I choose smaller varieties and keep them a little smaller, maybe 10 to 12 feet. These here will be able to grow a little bigger and a little wider, and these are big trees. These are the Nabal family avocados, and you can see they're planted a meter apart. And why did I do that? Because I had to move this reed because it was growing close to 20 feet tall and touching the roof of my house, which is 20 feet up. And when I dug it up like this. You can see here, you can see the wood. That's wood from the tree. And that's basically where most of the roots were. So I realized that on a tree with a trunk this size, the roots are going to be probably need about a 1.5 feet each direction. So altogether about a yard, and that should be enough to get it going. I have seen here in East Contra Costa County, I've seen one where it's 4 trees in one hole that are big. I don't know how much it produced. I don't know how happy the trees were, but they were strong and healthy. But I wanted to give them a little more space because I want production. So you can see here, each about a meter, a yard apart. And I call it the Avocado Factory because they will cross-pollinate. Because you got the Julia to the left, the reed to the middle, which is still alive and still green underneath the Ivy Organics. I moved it 6 months ago. And over here, it's the bee pollinator and the mother, the Nabal. Let's take a look at that one. Some say this is the best avocado they ever had, and it's very vigorous. You see my mail ordering avocado videos. It was about 6 inches tall 6 months ago, and look at it now. This one is definitely going to keep me busy with lots of pruning, but I'm up for the challenge. Over here in the middle is the reed, which is a child of Nabal, and I believe Nabal probably might be the best avocado out there because this is the best one I ever had so far. Was the reed. I had one from San Diego. It was very oily and just had so many different flavors in it, to where it wasn't like one avocado, it was like different avocados I was eating all together. I could taste traces of other varieties I've had. And look how excited the dogs are about it. And over here, another one I haven't tried. This beautiful tree, beautiful leaves. Leaves bigger than my hand, and I'm a big guy. This is the Julia avocado. And this one, I got lucky with this one because I don't even think it's released commercially. So someone probably bought it where they buy commercial avocado trees, and they managed to get a hold of one, and then I got a hold of that one, and here we are. We get to see what happens with these. So if you enjoy and like tropical fruit videos about growing in the Bay Area in Northern California, where conditions are more challenging than Southern California, which is where most of our information comes from, and please like and subscribe. Watch my videos and enjoy as I take on more challenges, both avocado growing and tropical fruit growing. For example, over here, I can show you real quick. I got my mangoes, taking on the mango challenge to see how that goes. So if you have any ideas or information on how mangoes grow differently than avocados, especially here in the north, please let me know, and thanks for watching.